PharmaTrax launched an updated mobile app PharmaTrax Scanner, giving access end users to the master data by scanning 2D data matrix and allowing to share results. To download PharmaTrax Scanner application, go to Play Store and install. Enter your email address. Scan support linear and 2D barcodes. Upon scanning, GTIN batch lot serial number and expiry date will be visible, along with product and company details. Scanned results can be shared as a screenshot within apps, and results can also be copied to clipboard. Sharing results screenshot via WhatsApp. Sharing results in text form via WhatsApp. History of all scanned items available for reference. Details of line-level hardware to implement GS1 standard for drug traceability. Details of equipment and tools to execute GS1 standard implementation. Details of whole procedure that how it works. Details of PharmaTrax, a pioneer solution provider company in Pakistan for drug traceability. Contact us to receive detailed proposal of serialization or any other query you may have.